Have you ever felt that unsettling tension when everyone seems on board, but something inside you screams caution? This is just a passing feeling. It's a critical warning sign in investment clubs that could cost you dearly. Groupthink is a silent predator, manipulating decisions and jeopardizing your hard-earned money. Picture this: you're swept up in the excitement of a group investment, but what if that thrill is masking a dangerous choice? It's easy to mistake camaraderie for sound judgment, but this is where the real risk lies. When consensus becomes the priority, critical thinking often gets tossed aside. Have you ever felt that urge to follow the crowd, especially when the stakes are high? But what if that crowd is leading you straight into a financial pitfall? Imagine a meeting buzzing with confidence over the latest stock tip. Everyone's nodding, adrenaline pumping. Yet, that rush can blind you to the reality of the decision at hand. Blind trust can lead to catastrophic outcomes. How often have you seen friends dive into a trending investment only to watch their excitement vanish as harsh truths emerge? Those emotional highs can quickly turn into heavy burdens when the market shifts. Now, consider those moments of doubt, nagging thoughts you choose to suppress. The tension builds, but you convince yourself that the group knows best. This is the essence of groupthink, creating a false sense of security. What happens when your instincts clash with the group's decisions? Ignoring those warning signs jeopardizes not just your finances but your entire investment mindset. The more you conform, the more you lose your identity as an investor, relying on the group instead of honing your own strategies. Can you see how fast this can spiral out of control? Imagine being the lone voice of reason amid a sea of agreement. It's daunting, but stepping back could protect you from significant losses. If everyone believes a stock is the next big thing, it takes courage to ask, what if we're wrong? Finding a balance between collaboration and independent thinking is crucial. Challenge the consensus when it feels too good to be true. The best decisions often arise from a blend of personal insight and group input. As you reflect on your investment journey, consider how groupthink has shaped your choices. Are you merely echoing the sentiments around you, or are you grounding your decisions in independent analysis? Remember, investing isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset. Trust your instincts even when the group appears united. Your money deserves that level of respect. Before your next investment meeting, pause and evaluate your approach. Are you ready to stand out and voice your concerns? Or will you let the thrill of the crowd dictate your financial future? Choose wisely, it could save you from a costly mistake. Have you ever felt that rush of excitement when your investment club shares a hot tip? It's thrilling, right? But what if that excitement is leading you down a risky path? Many people don't realize how powerful groupthink can be in investing. It's like a hidden puppeteer, subtly influencing your decisions without you even noticing. Surprised? You should be. Imagine this: you're in a room full of enthusiastic investors, and the energy is contagious. Everyone is buzzing about a new stock, but that excitement can easily cloud your judgment. The more people you surround yourself with, the less likely you are to think independently. It's not just about the money, it's about your mindset. When everyone is nodding in agreement, your instincts can get drowned out. Picture this scenario: you're at a meeting and the group is excitedly discussing a startup that's supposedly the next big thing. The atmosphere is electric and you feel swept away. But underneath, doubts flicker in your mind. What if that startup is built on shaky ground? What if the hype is just thin? The group's energy can make you doubt your skepticism, pushing you to invest against your better judgment. Now let's talk about the consequences. You invest your money into this dream, only to see it crumble just weeks later. The group was wrong, but you were too caught up in the excitement to notice. Can you feel that sinking feeling? It doesn't have to end this way. You can learn to listen to your own voice. Start asking questions, even when everyone else is cheering. It's perfectly okay to be the outlier. Imagine breaking free from the crowd's influence. Picture yourself making informed decisions based on research, not just the buzz in the room. It's liberating, isn't it? Here's an idea: what if you could turn that group energy into a tool instead of a trap? Foster a culture of questioning within your investment club. Encourage diverse opinions and challenge each other. It's not just about mutual support, it's about mutual growth. Create an environment where skepticism is welcomed, not brushed aside. As you reflect on your own investment journey, ask yourself, are you simply following the crowd, or are you carving your own path? Remember, the power of groupthink is real, but so is your ability to rise above it. Choose to be aware. Choose to question. And watch how it transforms not just your investments, but your entire approach to money. Here's the improved version of your script: chunk investing based on groupthink can lead to regret. Now imagine if, instead of following the crowd, what if you listened to that small voice of doubt? That slight shift in mindset could be your saving grace. The stakes are high and the consequences are real. The more you invest in groupthink, the more vulnerable you become, not just financially, but also in terms of your confidence and independence as an investor. But there's hope. Start by recognizing the value of individual thought within